What is up, all my investors? It is Shaddai, and I'm back again with another HINANCE video breaking down the complex financial world for everyday people like me and you so we can get to this money, this cheddar, this moolah. Today I'm talking about this big earnings week that we got. We got some big names reporting earnings this week. Plenty of opportunity here. And you must take advantage. You really must take advantage, so make sure you're paying attention all the way to the end of the video where we talk about what stocks are reporting this week. I mean, you can also look it up, but this is just our daily discussion, daily chats on what we think is going to go up, what we think is going to go down. Of course, before I get there, I got to show my appreciation to you, the viewer, the person watching, the person showing support, trying to gain information. I appreciate you all for watching. Just don't forget to hit the thumbs up on this video. Look just like this. Or hit the subscribe button that I put on the screen to make it very easy to support your boy. Okay? Okay, entiende? Alright. Yeah, I'm Spanish. Yeah. We'll whip out the Spanish here and there if we need to. But we got a pretty big earnings week. Some big companies. Tesla on Monday. And Tesla is very important, and I think that it could end up rallying based off the expectations that we get. And let's talk about their numbers. If we're going to talk about Tesla, let's talk about what numbers that they're expecting. Phone always going off, right? Where is that? What am I looking for? Here we go. 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 Okay. That is not what I was looking for. Is that what I was looking for? Yes. Okay. So, I found what I was looking for. Tesla, like I said, is expected to report on Monday after closing of the market. Their projected EPS is 75 cents, and their projected revenue is 10.48 billion. That is the projected. Hopefully, it slams it. At minimum, hopefully it reaches, but hopefully it slams it. We also have Google, aka Alphabet, reporting on Tuesday. You got Microsoft reporting on Tuesday. You got AMD, the semiconductor, reporting on Tuesday. We got Starbucks reporting on Tuesday, and this is a very good group, especially Starbucks. We've seen, which Starbucks is really the only U.S. company, coffee company that you can trade right now, stock wise. We've seen what happened to Dunkin' Donuts. Got bought, went private. They'll never be the same. Don't debate me on that. But I'm interested to see what Google got in store, what they got coming up. I'm interested to see how AMD plans to capitalize on the whole chip shortage that's happening. If they're going to get their hands wet. The discussion is very important because it also, the chip discussion also affects EV and stuff like Tesla and stuff like NIO. So keep the ears open and look for opportunities, because if some of these, a lot of these stocks, they're going to be here in the next 10-20 years for sure. On Wednesday we got Boeing. I'm not a big fan of, but hey, a lot of people talk about it. We got Apple, we got Ford, and we got Facebook. Apple was very disappointing for me. I was I just wasn't, even though I was invested in it, I was very unhappy about the investment that I made. I was expecting crazy growth on Apple, and it's been stagnant. But now we're catching some traction. So I do expect Apple to be making moves up northward this week for sure. For sure. That's my expectations. And if I'm wrong, I will be giving it to myself on my next video if I'm wrong. Facebook, I've always been a big fan of Facebook. I never got invested, but I've always been watching it. I think that Facebook has a lot of potential. They know how to make money. They know how to keep people engaged. And I think, what they're missing is to just completely take over the Clubhouse scenario. If they can find a way to bring that Clubhouse vibe to either Instagram or Facebook, I think that it's going to be very good for the company. So I'm interested to see how they're going to continuously boost their ad revenue as well, too. Very important things. Amazon reports on Thursday. I'm not a big fan of Amazon. Skyworks reports on Thursday. And then you got the oils, the Exxon Mobil and the Chevron. I'm not a big fan of these. These are on Friday. Like I said, my biggest important ones for this week are Tesla. I'm watching Apple. I'm watching Facebook, I'm watching Google, I'm watching Starbucks, and last but not least, you kind of got to watch Microsoft and AMD. These are buying opportunities if any of these stocks swing downwards. In my eyes, I'm not a financial advisor. Obviously, trade as you wish, but please tell me how Tesla is not a game life changer company. Please explain to me. It's volatile, yes, but they're still buying opportunities. I mean, there's people in our stocks group chat or investing group chat that have been, making money off of Tesla's swings up and down. And there's just so much opportunity. You just gotta tap in, and you gotta get with like-minded people, and that's why we got the investing group chat. So if you're interested in joining that, make sure you shoot me a DM above. I will get you all the details. That was a very shameless plug right there. Very, very shameless. Either way, I'm excited. I'm very excited for the future, the next 6 months of stocks. We can either see a nice correction, or we can see a nice rise up following by another correction. It's hard to predict where everything's gonna go when you get certain things that come out, news articles that may change the market by a percentage or two. But I expect good earnings growth for a lot of companies, and if they're not doing better year over year because they're being compared to the worst year, then I don't know. Maybe it's not the stock to be invested in. But like I said, if you're in these stocks, look for opportunity to double down on what you're already invested in. If you're not in these stocks, look to get in on them. And if you're against all these stocks that I've mentioned today, let me know in the comments below so that we can have that conversation. I'm interested to see how you think about whatever stocks that you are interested in. It's growth versus value. I appreciate y'all for watching, of course. Make sure y'all do y'all due diligence. Make sure y'all pay attention. Make sure you stay bullish because there's opportunity. I'll see y'all tomorrow.